you find it hard to achieve your goal every day. You wake up in the morning, you tell yourself these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that you want to do, but at the end of the day you cannot achieve the goal. It happens to me too sometimes. I get to work, we get to start doing things, and I tell my people what to do, and before you know, I am on Instagram. Before you know, I have watched all the old movies. Yes, it happens to you. Now these are the things that solve my problem. When I wake up in the morning, I keep my notes. See, I'm going to show you this. You see, I keep notes. These are the things you should do. Ask yourself, what are my next 5 moves? So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what's the number 1 thing I want to do? Me recording this video is the number 2nd thing I want to do. This morning I have told myself I want to do marketing idea. I want to create 10 marketing ideas. These are the 10 marketing ideas I said I want to create. Then the second thing is I want to record video. I wrote it here too. I want to record videos, and this is the second thing I'm doing today. After this, I have the 1, 2, 3 other things I want to do for the day. After these 5 things, the next question I ask myself is, what are my next 5 moves? Right? That question should always ring on your head. You ring. When you have these questions in mind, you will always know the next thing you want to do. If you are scrolling on Instagram, going through the street of Barbie, you are going to the street of what's the next movie in town now? Jagun, and you are going from one thing to other, you will not know what next to do. Make sure you are asking yourself, what are my next 5 moves?